love was on. But I still remember how it felt when our love was gone.
Was a photograph she took years ago.
Sweet memories in
her mind. I'll be so heartbreak time.
My God is bringing.
Well on there. After a whole heap of technical difficulties, you know what's over there. Yeah. Lover's choice. Ladies' choice. Everybody enjoy. Big up on yourself, yeah? Okay. TriplevibesRadio. FRASS Fridays. The 8th edition. Oiko!
Outside rain, she keeps me home. Quiet conversation.
I tell you what they are working, man.
So sweet rain whispers me to sleep and wakes me up again. My rain, sometimes I swear I hear her call my name. I swear my summer rain.
You know.
In the middle of the night when I'm alone, I feel her kisses on me, even when she's gone. Can't wait till she gets home. Whispers me to sleep and wakes me up again. Sometimes I swear I hear her call my name.
Triple Vibes, FRASS Friday. Mad People Edition, you know what's over there, yeah? We are people. What day are you know?
Think of how we made love almost anywhere. Haven't I taken you almost everywhere? Think of all the things that we shared in the matter to me nothing. Give me more chemistry, got you in the shade.
Triple Vibes.
How you doing, miss? My name is L, I'm from Queens. I heard about your manny like the late shoe with green.
Yeah, man, intro. Intro. It's a Queens. Intro! Trap masters, rock on.
We be doing it well.
Baby, rock on.
How you doing, miss? My name is L, I'm from Queens. I heard about your manny like the late shoe with green. Don't shake about a mosquito with Donna jeans, but he slipped up. He threw his rock to a fiend. He be playing like a willy cause he dressed shit up. Never knowing that his woman is in need of love. We got Versace, gold link, stomach chains with rocks. Official hairstyle, but you stuck up in the spot. Making love, Duke is weak, then he falling asleep. You on the phone with your old peeps, dying to creep between my sheets. So much you got Chanel on your feet. Hot sex on a platter makes the mission complete.
Yeah, man, Triple Vibes Radio. FRASS Fridays.
Hold on and on. You only a customer when you walking in the presence of hustle.
Yeah, that one you for everybody. With them lovers. Yeah? Triple Vibes Radio. FRASS Fridays. Yeah. Yes. Big up Mad Stone in the place.
Nah, do baby. You only a customer when you walk.
All the technical difficulty too now, watch though.
I'm laid back in the cinnamon rain.
All ladies!
Decades and ain't a damn thing changed. Keep my girl in strawberry swirls. You can taste it, my instincts basic. Lord of mercy, sweet like Hershey. Kisses, diamonds for the misses. Ices on the wrists. All different colors of the spectrum. The smallest flaw, and I reject them. Believe me, I'm a connoisseur when I inspect them. Hop against them and visibly sense them. They call me Big Ellie Walker from Compton to Yonkers. Them Chi-Town steppers and them A-Town stompers. These young rookies fail to understand. Every summer I return like the ice cream man. Drop what you doing, get it while you can. By the 8 by the ounce, when it's gone I'ma bounce. It's the FLAV, no ifs or maybes. You know what I do, drop your taste buds crazy.
Everybody's wanting it's my favorite flavor.
It's me and you where we can't go wrong.
Like caramel on vanilla sweet. You want someday so my favorite flavor.
Come on, baby, come on. My flavor's unreal, smooth but hard like wood grain on the wheel. Recline your seat, baby, enjoy how it feel. While you crossing your legs, them high heels made it ill. Kick off your shoes, run your toes on the dash. Now peel off your stockings, come on, let's get it poppin'. I'm in the mood for cotton, candy and I'm plotting to see you in something soon you see through. Me too, man, you know how we do. Can't put a main feature down on preview. At the bottom on your body's EQ. They go like the bass in the 6-12.
Stronger than ever. Back to get wrecked. All respect to those who break they neck to keep their hopes in check, as though they sweat a brother majorly. And I don't know why your girl keeps paging me to tell me that she needs me. Cries when she leaves me, and every time she sees me, she squeeze me. Lady, take it easy. Hate to sound sleazy, but tease me. I don't want it if it's that easy. Hey yo, pussy, baby got a problem saying bye-bye. Just another hazard of a fly guy. Your ass why don't matter. My pockets got fatter. Now everybody's looking for the ladder. And ain't no need in being greedy. If you wanna see me, try to keep it coming, baby, when you need it. And I'll be there in a jiffy. Don't be picky, just be happy with this quick, yeah. And when you learn, you can't time it down, baby doll. Check it out, I get around. What you mean you don't know? Check it out, I get around. The underground just don't stop for hoes. I get around. Still down with the underground. I get around. Yeah. Hey yo, shut let them hoes know.
Now you can tell from my everyday fits, I ain't rich, so cease and desist with them tricks. I'm just another black man caught up in the mix, trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. Cause I'm a don't mean that we get sheets, baby. I can't take this nah, it's me, I'm Chuck G, the one who put the satin on your panties. You can share me. I guess
what's up, love? How you doing?
Right.
Well, I've been hanging, trying to do my thing. Oh, you heard that I was banging your homegirl you went to school with. That's cool, but did she tell you about her sister and your cousin? Thought I wasn't. See, it was made for Michelob, but it's a Monday, so just let me hit it, yo. And don't take my statement for a clown. We can keep it on the down low, long as you know that I get around.
Fingertips on the hips as I dip, gotta get a tight grip, don't slip, loose lips ain't shit, it's a trip. I love the way she licks her lips, see me jocking for a little twist in her hips, cause I'm watching conversations on the phone till the break of dawn. Now we all alone while the lights on, turn them off, time is headed off.
Triple Vibes Radio, Gallon Crimes Mix. Come on, fams. Come on, fams. Alright. After the little technical difficulties with the other people, Triple Vibes. All ladies, this is Lover's Choice, you know. We don't even get me run for sure, you know. Bakes, we can't work with it, I'm a machine.
Yeah, go like this.
Tell the ladies there.
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am a real. Never.
Come on, fams. But I think it's something yet. You think it's something yet? It's Triple Vibes Radio. FRASS Fridays. Mad people. 16.
Mamas.
Easy bees in the place. Mad story.
Baby mamas.
All people. All crew.
Yeah.
Once again!
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson.
Jeez.
I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real.
You know, one song I want to play still in the
I apologize a trillion times.
My baby is drama, mama, don't like me. She doing things like having the boys come from her neighborhood to the studio trying to fight me. She need to get a piece of American pie and take her bite out. That's my house. I disconnect the cable and turn the lights out and let her know her grandchild is a baby and not a paycheck. Private school, daycare, shit, medical bills, I pay that. I love your mom and everything. See, I ain't the one to lay down. You wanna rip you up and start a touching war, my lawyers pay down.
I never do a la like this. Gotta be something for me to write this. Queen, I ain't seen you in a minute. Wrote this letter and finally decided to send it. Signed, sealed, delivered for us to grow together. Love has no limit, let's spin it slow forever. I know your heart is weathered by busting.
Yeah, that one you name.
I ain't gonna stop.
All ladies, all lovers. This is ladies' choice, lovers' choice.
Yeah, some niggas recognize it like once again. You know I ain't the type to walk around with matching shirts. A relationship is effort, I will match your work. I wanna be the one to make you happy. It hurts you the most. They say the end is near. Now we close to the most high.
So you see everybody dealing with obstacles right now.
Yeah.
Just hold the faith, you know.
Hold the faith.
There is a light that shines.
Yeah. Second. It's important we communicate, tune the fate of this union to the right pitch. I never call you my bitch or even my boo. There's so much in the name and so much more in you. If you understand the union of woman and man, sex and a tingle is where they assuming it land. But that's fly by night with you in the sky, right? During these cold side nights, moon, you my light. If heaven had a height, you would be that tall. Ghetto, the coffee shop, I see that all. Let's stick to understanding and we won't fall. For better or worse times, I hope you leave you calm.
No silence,
ladies, Triple Vibes Radio, late start, but we're still here, we're working, might be here till 11, come on fam, all ladies, all lovers, from you feel good, you're drinking, you're smoking, Triple Vibes.
Whoa!
You know.
It's the tattoo on your back and that brand new Louis bag.
I just say you're gone. Alright, let's take it back to 95. 95!
Hold up, let's take it from the top. TriplevibesRadio.com.
Start again. Start again. Start again. What is it? Brooklyn crew, Queens crew, you got it locked in right now. Triple Vibes Radio, FRASS Fridays, late edition. All ladies.
Hold up, let's take it from the top. I rock, gets my spur on, plus pure rocks. In the six drop, move and it don't stop. See money looking alright, yeah. What up, Bob? Across the room, throwing signals, I'm throwing them back. Flow in, cause I dig you like that. Pete baby boy style, hoping we match. You said we crown royale with a note attached. You said you look like the type that know what you like. I can tell by the jewels, you go for the ice. Plus you wear shoes well, the suit flows nice. I don't like the notes too well, let's be more precise. Meet me by the VIP, let's powwow. Whisper in my ear like blue, let's bounce now. About to say peace to my mans for you. When it's all said and done, I got plans for you. He said,
would you be my would you be my would you be my he don't want you like I want you, believe me, boo, I done told. He don't appreciate you, mom, I can tell by the way. He don't love you like I can love you, he squeeze you like I make your neck pop back, and in fact I buckle you. Please, okay, baby, what's it gon' take for you to be my lady? Tell me right now. I heard your friends tell you should, parents tell you it's good. Your little sister keep yelling, Ellie, I wish you would, but you hesitating, debating whether or not it's real. I ain't shooting game, boo, I'm just telling you how I feel. I'm digging everything about you, your hips and the way they sway. Hate to see you leave, boo, but love to see you walk away. I be your personal shrink, boo, I care what you think. I bought the Bentley and pink, cause my dough in sync. So tell your man bye-bye and tell him you're long. Ain't no need waiting up, you done found you another home.
I don't know why you care.
Why you thinking about it, mama?
He doesn't even know you're there. Cause he don't love your eyes, and he don't love your smile. Girl, you know that ain't fair.
Come on.
The middle of the night, is he gonna be by your side? Or will he run it high? You don't know cause things ain't clear. And maybe when you eye, is he gonna stop by your side? Does the night even know you're right? I got nothing to be my wrong. So got me doing things I'll never do. If you ain't been, I'm telling you I'm wrong.
Messiah movement.
Got me doing things I'll never do. If you ain't been, I'm telling you, you do.
How she doing exactly like she want me? She counting up all my homies, even all of my other wrongness. She ain't even my main lady. See, I've been thinking about it lately. Man, she really don't deserve me. All she wanna do is hurt me. So I gotta get away from her. But now I'm leaving quickly before she come and try to get me. And I'm taking everything with me. But it all come down. I'll never do. If you ain't been, I'm telling you I'm wrong. She got me doing things I'll never do. If you ain't been, I'm telling you, you do.
Let me tell you what I wanna do. Let me show you that I feel you. Wanna sex, wanna ride with you. Wanna taste when I put my lips all over you. Can't get enough of you. Always thinking of you. So sweet, so very wet. So good, girl, you make me sweat. What I'm talking about.
Bitches and cream.
Oh,
I made it 'cause you know that I'm a fiend.
that's right.
Freaking out, I'm feeling amazing. It's even better when it's with ice cream.
Know what I mean? Peaches and cream.
I need it 'cause you know that I'm a fiend. Getting freaky,
girl, you taste so good to me.
whole repertoire, US to the USSR. Sexing in a Lexus car, match wits with the best of y'all. The rest of y'all's like vegetables in my presence, check it. Reminiscing of nothing you ever heard. Then I realized that it didn't make sense there. Backtrack, show me where the cash, yeah.
Never thought that I would be so addicted to you. On top, underneath, on the side of you. Better yet, baby, inside of you. I love the way you're just flowing down, and I can feel it all around. In the front, in the back of you. Ooh, I love the taste of you. Girl, you know what I'm talking about. Know what I mean? Peaches and cream. Ice cream, know what I mean?
Kim got them in the zone, beating they dicks. Even got some of these straight chicks rubbing they tits. What? I'm loving this shit, cream bitch. What bitch you know can thug it like this? Imagine if I was a dude and hitting cats from the back. No strings attached, yeah nigga, picture that. Cause y'all niggas ain't shit.
You know I can't get enough. Wanna taste it in the morning when I'm waking up. Like each cobbler in my stomach when I eat it up. Got your legs around my neck so I can't get up.
Alright then. So now we take our intermission because we just know I get the sound of work. This one I name intermission for everybody that don't like that day. That song you feel now. That song you feel now. But everybody else enjoying the Lovers' Day. Valentine's, TriplevibesRadio, FRASS Fridays, Ladies' Choice. You see if you heartbroken today? You see if today not now go on? Then you have to say something like this. What you feel say? Alright, now that we got that out the way, and all the bitter people don't cry out on the eye water. Fucking iron! TriplevibesRadio. You say no one don't cry on the eye water. Make sure right now a champagne eye water, all rose and chocolate. So if you want to find out which part it there.
I'll be down by the
Come on, fams. Come on, fams. Yeah, man, big up my wife, because you say later, be a champagne eye water. Eye water! Come on, fams, we're working. That's cool, no one. That's cool.
I'll be down by the river, waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. Oh yeah, I'll be down by the river, singing songs of joy on this lovely day. Oh yeah, three singing birds told me.
And this is for everybody who have a special smart in them life. All ladies, all lovers, lovers choice again. Once again! Yeah, what's up, brother? All ladies, all lovers. Request!
The whole town stalking.
Take time. All ladies again.
The whole town's talking about her. This sweet little girl from Gilchine. She's got a property that I truly
Jeremiah. She smiles when I call her Miss Scotty. She hears it
does cool on herself. I love her shies, man. TriplevibesRadio. FRASS Fridays.
I don't know. I'll find the right words to say to get her into my world. God knows I'm serious, I'm not joking.
I see me, I tell you, you sit on a day there, you have to watch the carelessness.
I really like
I will my uncle say.
I won't back down. I know that you know my intentions. On the table I lay down my cards. I'm making all the preparations to send my arrow to your heart. I'll find the right words to say to get you into my world. God knows I'm.
Don't get caught up in a fuck.